So, hello everyone. Today in this video, we'll be discussing about range data type. So, let's see. Here we can assign any range to some variable range like this. So, range equal to range of 0, comma 10. So, it will give us values from 0 to 10. So, and the last 10 will be excluded. Okay. So, it will give the values from 0 to 9 basically. So, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, like that till 9. So, let's see. And let's see the type of the range, and it is telling it as range. Okay, now let's print it. So if you see over here, it is printing directly like this. So if you want all the elements separately, then we have to convert them into some iterable data type. So here we are converting into some list, or we can also convert it into some tuple. So let's see. So after converting, let's check the types of each of those. It is saying it as a list, and let's see the range tuple, and it is a tuple. Okay, so let's print the range list. So if you see, it is in square brackets, and we have already discussed lists were denoted with square brackets, whereas these tuple will be denoted with this closed brackets. So it will start from 0 and go till 9. Will not have 10 because this will not be included. Okay. So, and similarly in this tuple also we are having values from 0 to 9. So it's similar to slicing only. Uh, Basically, this will be the starting number, and uh, here we should end at 10. We have to end, and this will denote as the step size. So in range list, what we'll be having? We'll be having 0, and then the step size is 2, so it will go to 2, and then it will go to 4, and then 6, and then 7, 8. Sorry, it will be 8. And after 8, we'll be getting 10. So, but 10 will not be included in this range, so it will stop at 8. So let's see. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So, and also we can go in reverse direction also by using negative sign in this step. So here I'm saying -1. But if you see, uh, when I'm using -1, this 0 is lesser than this 10. So in such cases, what will happen? It will just give us empty list. Okay. Uh, Basically, whenever there is a minus, this will be expecting that this number will be greater than this one. Okay. Then it will be giving us some range. So if we reverse this, then it will start at 10 and go till 1, and it will stop at 0. So let's see this value, and let's print this. So as we expected, it is starting at 10 and going till 1 by a step size of -1, and at 0 it will stop. Okay. And similarly, you can generate the negative numbers also. Let's say, like any range, if you wanted to generate numbers between any of the ranges, then you can simply use range. So here I wanted to generate like numbers from -100 to 99, let's say. Then we can give like this. And if you wanted to generate -100 to 100, then you can give 101 over here. And let's run it. So now if we see in this, it is starting from -100 and it will go till 100. Okay. So yeah, it is going till 100. Like this, we can use the range. And in range, actually, there are three things. First is the starting one. And here, the starting value will be 10, and the ending value we are denoting as 0, and the step size we are denoting as -1. So basically, uh, in range, we'll be having all these three values, start, end, and step size. And if we are not mentioning any start, that assumes that it will be 0, and it will always be expecting some ending, and the step size will be by default 1 if you are not mentioning. Okay. So if we see over here, we are giving it as 20. If it takes only one argument, that means that it is assuming that it has end, and here the default starting value will be 0 and default step size will be 1. So let's execute this and let's see. So if we observe over here, the starting value is 0 and it's going till 19. And if we see the step size is 1 over here, that's why it is incrementing by 1. Okay. I hope this video is clear, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you.